let's get you up to speed with an hour to go in the trading day. Taking a look at the major averages, you're looking at the Dow off just around 81 points, well off obviously the lows of the day, as you can see that we touched not too long after the open. We got that much better than expected number on retail sales. That, of course, is having an impact on the market's direction today. S&P also a bit under pressure here just in terms of how investors are looking at that retail sales number and what that might mean for Fed policy here on out. NASDAQ, though, holding on to gains up just about 0.5%. Taking a look at the bond market action, 10-year yield pushing to the upside here, up just about 5 basis points at 382. And taking a look at the dollar index, once again pushing to the upside here, just below 104. Taking a look at some of the sector action this afternoon, I mentioned the fact that the NASDAQ is outperforming. You can see that reflected in some of the sector outperformance here. Communication services up just about 0.6%. Consumer discretionary leading the way today. You have technology holding on to gains. On the flip side, you have energy under pressure, off just about 2%. Healthcare also an underperformer in today's market. Inside the NASDAQ, as we take a look at some of the outperformers in the market, you still have Apple up just about 1%. We'll get to the latest story there just in terms of a journal article about a Justice Department probe deeper into the tech giant, what that could mean for the company going forward. But Apple holding on to gains despite that. Airbnb, certainly a standout, reported after the bell yesterday afternoon. Better than expected earnings. We're seeing that reflected in the stock move today, up nearly 14%. So again, a bit of a mixed picture here, Dave, but Apple, Amazon, Google among the outperformers when we take into account those larger cap tech names.
Yeah, and it's interesting. They've had such a strong start to the year, despite you mentioned the DOJ, there's the FTC, the Biden administration across the board really looking like they're going after big tech and not relenting. Shauna, thank you.